Hi dear Taurus, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Taurus Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 19th till the 25th of May. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box. We'll find the links below. And for Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self-Love Course, 2 links are given below. So let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what we have. Taurus. Ace of Wands. Okay, there is a new energy around you. Uh, there's somebody who is kind of continuously thinking about you, and they feel like there's a spiritual kind of connection between you and them. And this is somebody who feels your energies very loudly, you know, differently. Let's clarify the Ace of Wands. We have the Three of Wands and the Empress and the Seven of Wands. This is someone who is kind of waiting for the time when you are going to unblock them, or when you are going to be ready to have growth and expansion with them. Okay, there is a new person, new energy around you who sees you as a very spiritual and beautifully growing kind of a person. But there's a blockage here, and they're waiting for the time when you are going to remove the blockage from between them and you. Meanwhile, I do see a past energy also waiting for you to unblock their way. So new person is also interested, but they know that you are not ready right now. A past person is in your energies too, but they're waiting for the time when they will be able to do something about it. Okay, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Taurus? King of Pentacles, you are just being in your own essence, you're sitting in your power, doing your own thing. Right now, to be honest with you, you are not giving that much shit to anything or anyone. You're just doing your own thing. You're like, okay, I'm just my own person, doing my own thing. Let's clarify the King of Pentacles. We have the Hermit, the Knight of Cups, and the Three of Cups. Okay, it's like you're using your wisdom and experience about love and relationship area. You are telling me that you feel like you are going to get that message, communication, apology, or that love offer that you're waiting for and hoping for in your life, whether it's a new person or a past person. You are just enjoying your life, you're just chilling. Whatever or whoever is meant for you will come to you eventually, and you know it. That's why you're just chilling and doing your own thing, because with your experience, with your wisdom, you know that you will be able to attract this kind of person in your life very soon. Okay, you are being extremely confident here and using your wisdom and experience in attracting, not chasing. That's good. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Taurus. Judgment. Their intention here is to release something, let go of something. Judgment here in this particular deck is releasing and realizing this energy of wanting to have something brand new. This is somebody who feels like seeking for forgiveness, seeking for another shot. Okay, let me see. There's new love, there's past love. There are two kind of energy here in your energies right now, and you're enjoying it. You know it. Let's clarify the Judgment. We have the Seven of Pentacles, the Tower, and the Three of Swords. So there is a person around you who broke your heart into pieces, and they don't want to wait any longer. They want to ask for forgiveness. Now they are ready to ask for forgiveness. Now they are ready to ask for second chance, if it is possible. But this is somebody who wants to apologize to you for the way they broke your heart. Now this person is realizing their mistake big time. Something is happening in their energies, and now somebody is realizing how much pain they gave you, and they should definitely apologize to you. This is their intentions, or their intention is to apologize to you and maybe ask for a second chance, and now they are going through the same kind of pain that they gave you at some point of time. The roles can be reversed also. Please keep that in mind. It could be you going through the painful energies of wanting to ask for forgiveness from somebody if you are the one who messed up and fucked up here. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation? This person wants to free their soul, release this heavy and burdensome energy of guilt and regret. Wow, that's why they want to ask for forgiveness, because they are being guilty, and this guilt is kind of making their life kind of miserable. Three of Pentacles, you want to put in the effort and energy, you want to collaborate. Okay, you want to collaborate with people, things or situations that you know are good for you at the end of the day. Let me clarify the Three of Pentacles. We have the Knight of Pentacles, the Two of Pentacles, the Moon. You want to walk so slow, Taurus, so slow that you don't want to make any kind of mistakes. You don't want to take any kind of wrong decision in this direction, based on fear of loneliness. Maybe you just want to take your time in order to have that collaboration or partnership that is actually good for you. So basically right now you don't want to do shit about your love and relationship area. You just want to be in your own zone, creating your own collaborations and partnerships that you know are good for you for the long term, and that doesn't involve romantic angles as of now. So you don't want to take any kind of decision or make any kind of choice based on fear, based on this energy of what if, right? So you want to take your time in order to make the right choices, the right decision in this area of your life, meanwhile working on yourself, your money, your job, your career. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 25th of May. Five of Wands, drama. I don't like drama. I don't like conflicts. Let's clarify the Five of Wands. Somebody might end up creating some kind of, let me see. Let me clarify before jumping into conclusions. I learned my lessons today. I learned a very huge lesson today, that you should not jump into conclusions without knowing the whole story. Something happened and I jumped into conclusion and created some kind of issue. Okay, there's a lot of back and forth communication coming in from somebody who claims to still love you and still care for you, but I don't think so. This is a manipulator. This is somebody who is, their intention is to come forward and apologize to you and, sort it out with you. But the way they are going to come forward is kind of going to make you feel like you don't give a damn. Somebody is going to create some kind of drama in order to seek your attention. Okay, so something is kind of making, okay, this is okay, anyways. So be ready for some kind of drama coming your way, and there is a lot of love behind this drama actually, because this person is in love with you. That's why they are creating this drama. But you are going to grab, okay, what is, wow. So Taurus, what I'm getting here is that somebody will try to create some kind of drama or issue, or somebody will try to grab your attention by doing something stupid. But the whole point here is that they want to talk to you. They want to have back and forth communication with you. And this communication that they want to have with you is coming from their heart. It's like they want to talk to you. They want to have back and forth communication with you. They want to have you back in their life. That's why they are creating this kind of drama instead of coming forward towards you straight away. It's like a childish energy where in order to grab your attention they have to do something stupid so that you are going to react or say something, and then eventually they want to sort it out with you. See, their intentions are good here, but the way they are trying to manipulate you is very childlike. The way they are trying to approach you is very stupid. So you are going to end up blocking them, and or you are going to end up not even listening to them. You're going to be like, yeah, I know your games, I don't care, goodbye. So somebody will try to manipulate your energies in order to start this brand new chapter with you, but you are going to shut them down, and or you are going to tell them very very honestly that you don't care or you don't want to be a part of this drama. So beware of this high voltage drama coming your way. I don't know what kind of drama, I don't know what they're going to do. Maybe they are going to post a story regarding you or something, I don't know. Just an example. No, I'm not saying they're going to do that. For you, the guidance here is try to handle this situation with love. Try not to, try to understand this person's intentions here, but at the same time don't give them another chance or another shot if you know their ways are stupid, their ways are not like a mature and adult kind of energy. See, this person's energies are shifting from being so stupid, so naive, so dumb, not dumb, so manipulative, to this energy of, okay, let's figure it out, let's do it with Taurus. But still, their past, and past energies and past, nature, you can say the repetitive pattern is still there. So they're coming forward, they want to talk to you, but the way they are coming is kind of going to piss you off. And instead of being a part of this drama, try to understand this person's intentions of wanting a forgiveness. Maybe forgive them if you can. If you don't, if you can't, send them away with love. You don't have to be like them. You don't have to answer them with the same kind of, what should I say, manipulation. You don't have to do tit for tat, basically, Taurus. And it's very difficult for a Taurus to not to do tit for tat. When they're stubborn, when they are bullheaded, they are like, I'm going to teach them who I am. So don't do that. Try to understand that you can send this person away with love, with compassion, with this kind of energy of, okay, I know I got your point, but no, goodbye. If you want to, and if you want to sort it out with them, then try love instead of games, and instead of drama, and instead of, okay, let's see who wins or something like that. Whatever the case may be from your side, try to sort it out with love, and compassion. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Taurus. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.